A very pleasant morning to you all. Previous class we were discussing about the experiments regarding respiration, like during respiration, aerobic respiration, oxygen is required. Then we had also discussed that during the process of respiration, the gas which is given out is carbon dioxide. Let us again continue with the various experiments as to prove that CO2 or carbon dioxide is given out during respiration, whether it is aerobic respiration or whether it is anaerobic respiration. Clear? So, just see the diagram here. This is an experiment to prove that CO2 is given out during respiration. Clear? Now, what we have taken? We have taken 4 conical flasks. Got it? As you can see in the diagram. And each of the conical flasks, you can see a split cork so that the delivery tube can enter and pass through it. In the third conical flask, what do we find? Some that is plants. It can be that is aquatic plant, or you can put some grasses also, or any herbs very small. Now, what do we do? In the first case, air free of CO2. Clear? How we can pass air free of CO2? That is by passing the air first through soda lime. Got it? We have already discussed earlier also. Soda lime absorbs carbon dioxide. And each of the 4 conical flasks, you find that in the that is the first 2, lime water is there, clear lime water, and in the 4th conical flask also some lime water is there. Equal amount of lime water is poured into the conical flasks. Now, let us start with the experiment. What is being done? What is our aim? To show that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. So, air free of carbon dioxide is passed through the first conical flask marked A. How the air is made free from CO2? Before the air enters the delivery tube or the bent tube, the air is first passed through soda lime so that any CO2 present in the air is absorbed. Now, you find bubbles evolved here, and the gas evolved, the air then passes through the second conical flask. What do we observe? That is, the lime water is clear. It does not turn milky. Now, as the air passes through the third conical flask, you can see that certain that is green plants are kept here, small size, that is herbs. Now, what happens in this case? What do you find? That is, some gas is evolved, and in the 4th conical flask, you find that the lime water turns milky. What does it prove? That the plants undergo respiration, and during respiration, carbon dioxide is given out, which passes through this delivery tube or bent tube, and when it reaches the lime water, it turns lime water milky. Clear? So, in the experiments during the test or the semester, instead of the green plant, any small animal like insect or small that is the insect in the form of cockroach, live cockroach can be kept, or a small animal can be kept in the form of a small frog. So, that also will turn lime water milky. So, what is our objective? Our objective is, our aim is to prove that CO2 is given out during respiration and it turns lime water milky. Got it? Now, come to another experiment. Instead of, sometimes, like I said, instead of aquatic plant or any small plant, you can put germinating seeds also. Got it? That is, any living organism or living object. Now come to the next experiment. This one. This also proves that CO2 is given out during respiration. This experiment is very important. First of all, what do we take? We take a potted plant that is with green leaves, and there are two conical flasks. You set up the experiment in this way. This is a bell jar. It is first you take a table, then that is made up, that is tabletop of glass. Then why do we take? Because this has to be made airtight. Got it? You take two conical flasks, and then the bent tube passes from the bell jar and is introduced in the conical flasks A and B. Clear? Now what happens? This bell jar and the lower part, that is the part on the tabletop, is applied with Vaseline to make it airtight. Got it? Again, what do we find? Air free of CO2 is passed through it. Then what do we find? The lime water does not turn milky, but when the air from the, that is the air which passes out from the bell jar, that when it enters the lime water, it turns milky. Got it? So what does it prove? That CO2 is given out during respiration by green plants. Now what is the precaution? In this case, since it is a bell jar made up of glass, now if it is, this experiment is carried out in the daytime or in the light, photosynthesis will also occur. Got it? And during photosynthesis, what happens? Carbon dioxide is used up, so the result will be affected. Therefore, this experiment is carried out either in the dark, or one has to cover the bell jar with a black chart paper or a black cloth. Got it? To prevent photosynthesis. Clear? So these two experiments and this experiment which we had done in the previous class proves that CO2 is given out during respiration. So all these experiments are important, children. You may be asked, like, what is the aim of the experiment? The aim of the experiment is to show that CO2 is given out during respiration. What is the precaution taken to keep the setup airtight by applying Vaseline, and to carry out in the dark, or to cover it with a black cloth or a black paper so that photosynthesis do not take place. Clear? Because light can enter through glass also, and photosynthesis may occur. In that case, CO2 given out during respiration, it will be used by the plants for photosynthesis. So that's all for today's session. Stay home, be safe.